No, sis, get into this look. You need this wig. What's up, y'all? My name is Keandra. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm bringing yet another hair video. This video is sponsored by Yolissa Hair. Shout out to them. They did not come to play with this water wave unit, okay? I did put it in a really cute viral hairstyle, the little claw clip, half up, half down hairstyle. I think that's what it's called. And y'all just get into it. I really don't have too many words. If you are interested in how I got this look, just stay tuned. This hair is so bomb. Loved everything about working with this hair. The lace is HD. It's thick. It's so pretty, so full. Yolissa did that thing. Stay tuned, y'all. Alright, y'all, let's jump straight into this video. Like I said, this video is sponsored by Yolissa Hair. Shout out to them. They had all these cute goodies in the bag along with the unit, of course. Just showing you everything that came in there. Also fixing my ball cap because I don't know what happened, girl. Like, it was sliding back. It was just giving me a hard time, but it's fine. The install came out cute nonetheless. I'm showing y'all that I'm using boho and that my ball cap is slipping back, but it's okay. Like I said, I'm gonna be working in sections with this unit, y'all. I did 3 layers of glue, I think, for each section, and I'm doing 3 of them just to make this install like a little easier on me. Depending on the wig and the hairline, sometimes I have to do this, especially because my hairline is low on the sides. So this just helped me out with the install process. I did kind of over bleach the knots on this unit, but it's okay because you can always fix that. But that's why y'all kind of see that it's looking how it's looking, because I over bleached it a little bit. But these knots were so small on this wig. This lace was lacing. It was HD lace, so bomb. Like I said in the beginning, this wig is 24 inches, y'all, and you would think it was a 30, okay? I'm only like 5. I'm like 5'8", y'all, and you would think this wig was longer than 24 inches. Love the length on this unit. And did I tell y'all the density is 200? I will have all the information in the description box for y'all. And if I'm not mistaken, they may have some type of deal going on right now, like buy one get one free. I could be wrong, but click the link in the description box. This video is a little long overdue. So shout out to Yolissa Hair once again. This wig is everything and then some. But yeah, this is just me showing y'all how I'm laying the unit, like I said, in 3 different sections. I did 3. It may have been 2 to 3 layers of glue. Don't mind my ratchet blow dryer. We using it till it breaks, okay? But yeah, I'm just going in on the other side now, laying the unit. I don't really be showing y'all how I do my ball caps because sometimes they turn out good and sometimes they don't. So I just like to kind of get straight to the nitty gritty. But yeah, y'all, I think this wig is definitely bomb for fall and winter, to be honest. Any type of curly unit that's really thick like this one is perfect for like colder seasons. I love me some long hair, curly hair, straight hair, a bust down middle part. Even though I didn't do that in this video, I started with a middle part. Y'all gonna see the process. And shout out to them for including this bomb elastic band, because it just makes everything so convenient when they include the extra goodies in the bag that you're gonna actually need to slay your unit. So I went ahead and pinned it up, let it melt a little bit. Bella, please, if y'all hear little licking noises, that is Bella all in my face right now. But I went ahead and just cut some more extra lace off the ear tabs. And I think I didn't tell y'all, but this is a 13x6, and y'all gonna see because the parting was so on point. A really deep part went all the way to the back, as it should. And now I'm just cutting the lace off, y'all, and it's looking ashy now, but just trust the process. Just trust the process. Y'all know I would not steer y'all wrong. My installs, they don't be too perfect, but I'm queen of getting the end result to look bomb. You know, the steps along the way might not be perfect, but best believe by the end of the install, it's gonna give melted, it's gonna give laid, it's gonna get flat, it's gonna give everything. So I just went in with that even lace spray on the lace, and I put the band back on so that it can melt a little bit. We did about like 2 different melting sessions because I really wanted to make sure that this wig was giving the girls what it needed to give. So this is the hair, y'all. Look how full. Like, stop. And it's crazy because I styled this hair, but I didn't even put any product in it because I really like the natural, just the naturalness that it was given. So I decided not even to put no mousse, no nothing. I wanted it to stay big, and you could still see like the curl pattern, which is a water wave. So if you are interested in this unit, like I said, I will have all the information down below. But now I'm just using some makeup to just add a little bit more of a color to that lace so that it's not so white looking. That is the beauty of HD lace. It fits all skin types, and you can kind of customize it to your liking, of course, because it comes like this clear type of lace. So now I'm going in with some spritz, pump it up spritz. Yes, y'all, that is what I'll be using to melt, really just take the melt to the next level. Like, as y'all can see, it went from ashy white to like growing out of my scalp real quick. And now I'm going in with the styling process, because y'all, that's over with. Super simple. The installation process was just so easy, so simple. So now I'm parting my hair, and I'm using my wax stick so that I can lay that at the top. You want that to look really sleek and really flat, so I'm using my hot comb and my Care wax stick to help me do that. Y'all, this hairstyle was so cute. I saw it all over TikTok. By the way, follow me on TikTok, because I'm very much active on there, unlike how I've been on here, which I'm gonna get back consistent. Y'all see a different background, like I done moved and all type of stuff, but that's besides the point. I'm just using my hot comb to melt this unit. And like I said, I did see this hairstyle like trending all over TikTok, and I wanted to try it on my wig to see like what it would give, and I fell in love with the hairstyle, y'all. This was so cute. Like, I literally had nowhere to go like the night that I was doing this video, but it's fine. I took Instagram pictures. Follow me on there too. But y'all just see me perfecting a part. This hairstyle is really easy. Like I said, I'm not gonna go in with like no product on the actual unit. I'm using like a lace spray, because like I said, I over bleach my knots. And now y'all just see me mapping out the baby hair, so I'm gonna take them out, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and I'm gonna be plucking them. And y'all could just kind of see me trying to get the shape of how I want them before I start to pluck. I like to pluck them just to make them look more natural, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going in with my tweezers. I'm gonna do the same on both sides. So after I'm finished plucking them, I'm gonna be cutting them, and I just did the two front ones first, and then I'm gonna do the sideburns. That's all the edges I want. You can do whatever you want, however you want. Edges are just very much versatile. There's so many different ways you could do them and have them. So I'm just doing them on the side now, and I'm gonna do the same process, just mapping them out, tweezing them, and then cutting them. And then the rest is pretty much history. We're gonna curl them and all that good stuff. But of course, it's always good to see the process of something. I feel like I'll kind of learn better when I'm watching something be done versus explain. So now y'all see me curling them with my little skinny flat iron here. I'm just curling them downward. I see people curl them upward. I don't know, it really don't matter. I like to do mine's downward. I guess it matters depending on what look you're going for, but I don't know, this is how I do it. And then y'all, it just changes what I use. Sometimes I use mousse, sometimes I use gel. It just depends on what I'm going for. I decided to use a little bit of Got to Be Glue gel and focus it on the base of the baby hairs. They usually always start out longer than what they're going to be in the end. I usually go in and cut them. Y'all are probably not going to see that, but this is just a little bit of the process, just me mapping them out how I want them to look, me playing with them. That's the one thing about edges, baby hair, whatever you want to call them. Sometimes they just take time until you just, play with them and get the look. See, now they look completely different. So I definitely went in and cut them. So now y'all see me actually doing the hairstyle. I'm skipping straight into that. Didn't put any extra product in his hair. Like I said, I just washed it, bleached the knots, all that good stuff, and now we're going right into styling. So I'm just basically parting out some hair on the sides, as y'all see. I kind of went from the part and went down, as y'all see, to where my ears are. And because I put the hot comb and like the Care wax stick in my hair, it kind of already looks flat and shiny, so I didn't add any extra product. You can if you want to, like if you want to add gel or something, but like I said, I just chose not to. After I hot combed the hair, everything was looking pretty sleek, so sometimes less is more for me. So I'm going in and I'm literally tying those in a ponytail in the very back of my head, like on my neck, and I'm letting the rest of the hair down. I'm kind of fluffing it out, and I'm gonna act like I'm doing half up, half down now. So I'm just taking a little bit of the hair from the top, as y'all see, and kind of mapping it out. Now I'm actually going in with my comb, and I'm just combing all the hairs down. Like I said, I didn't add any extra product for this. Literally just the quickest, easiest, cutest hairstyle ever. So now I'm twisting the hair, and I'm using a little claw clip that I had, a little white one. And now I'm going ahead and fluffing the hair out. Y'all, that's literally it to this hairstyle. I kind of had to play with it a little bit to get it to my liking. But yes, cue the freaking slow-mo. Like, look at this hair, y'all. No extra product. So cute, big and fluffy. I think this hairstyle looks best with bigger hair, in my opinion. So I didn't want it to get, you know, watered down or just any other product. I wanted it to stay like fluffy, kind of effortless look. And that's exactly what I got, y'all. I'm just showing y'all that is how it looks. And it doesn't have to be perfect, y'all. This was a quick hairstyle, and the hair kind of covers the sides anyway. So yeah, as long as the front is looking good, you're good. But thank you so much for watching this video. Shout out to Yolissa Hair once again, and I will see y'all in the next one.